Good evening. Today is February the 28th, 2023. Thank you, Mrs. Shim. Today you work with me. We did the recordings for the reading of the newspaper, 大纪元时报 special edition. And we had this nice reading. I read in Chinese, and you read in Korean language, and we went through the whole teachings today, created reels to share with our general public. Because I really start to know in my heart that the danger is coming near to every one of us. Although it seems to be peaceful, but I know every day is critical for our survival. Mankind need to survive. And in order to survive, mankind need to understand what is the solution for the problems we are confronting. And the teaching Master Li Hongzhi delivered to the mankind at this point, I think if people really read carefully, listen carefully, and digest, and then we will start to see the hope. Every one of us right now today still is given the opportunity to make it. Every one of us. Our Creator hasn't given up on any person. Any person, no matter how many trouble you have created for others, how many problems you already are in, as long as you're willing to listen to the truth, the moment you really understand why you are here today on the earth, for what purpose, and what is the problem that now you are poor, you are sick, you think you may die anytime, you're very hateful in your heart about the world, let's say. You feel very desperate, and you feel so dark. Even so, if you understand that how incredibly precious your life is, how much love our Creator has for you, you know, who do you represent behind you, this beautiful human body? How many precious lives are watching you and hope you're gonna make it. Everything you do right now on the earth, every thought you have, every action you take every day determines the future of the world you represent. So if we understand that truth, no one should waste any minute to think about, oh, I'm so upset. He treated me so bad. Oh, why I'm so poor? You know, this and that, complaints and enemy. Complaints and enemy. And the knots that you have made through many, many struggles in the human world because of your ignorance. And today, you're poor, you're sick, you're angry, you're complaining. You have no joy in life, you have no hope in life. When you're in this kind of situation, what is the solution? I really think that our Creator is right with us. Our Creator is trying to wake us up and say, listen, my child, I created you, and now it's time for you to wake up and do the right thing so you will be saved and you're not going to be destroyed. Please don't be destroyed. Listen to me. Do you know what I mean? So that's why I feel it. I feel our Creator has prepared an incredibly beautiful future for every one of us. It's delivered to us, just waiting for us to just wake up and accept that. But most of us are still entangled. And that's why today's moral lesson is a very, very deep one and requires some thorough explanation. And I hope we continue to come back to this. But today I will do my best to say some fundamental principles behind this moral lesson. That's my introduction.